Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We got more big news from EcoFlow. The River 3 Plus is now available for orders. That is the early bird special, and it comes with a free 45-watt solar panel starting today. So if you decide to pick up the River 3 Plus, you do have a couple options. You got the River 3 Plus, which is just a portable power station by itself, giving you about 286 watt hours of power storage. Or you can get the River 3 Max, which is a River 3 Plus the Smart Extra Battery EB300, which gives you another 286 watt hours, giving you 572 watt hours total. Also, there's the River 3 Max Plus setup, which is a River 3 Plus and a Smart Extra Battery EB600, which is 572 watt hours, giving you a total of 858 watt hours. And whether you choose the River 3 Plus, the River 3 Max, or the River 3 Max Plus, you will get that free 45 watt solar panel. So let's take a closer look at the EcoFlow River 3 Plus portable power station. So the River 3 Plus portable power station from EcoFlow has 10 millisecond pro-grade UPS for precision devices. Now UPS is uninterrupted power supply. That means that this can turn on within 10 milliseconds if the power goes out. So during a power outage, your sensitive equipment, NAS, servers, different things like that, you're gonna stay protected during that power outage, saving you time and money. This has a 600 watt continuous output and a 1200 watt X-Boost continuous mode. Now X-Boost can run higher watt devices for longer periods of time. And for appliances under 100 watts, you get double the runtime. Another great thing about the River 3 Plus portable power station, you get 1 hour fast charge, just like most EcoFlow's portable power stations. You can plug this in within an hour, you'll have it fully charged, ready to go. You can also get up to 220 watt fast solar charge, and that's a lot of solar for this portable power station. That's going to help get it charged up really quickly. It is compact, lightweight, even smaller than previous models, and whisper quiet, less than 30 decibels under normal operation. So EcoFlow is claiming that River 3 Plus is a beast in the small power station game, cranking out up to 600 watts of rated power. Its X-Boost technology can continuously handle 1200 watt heating devices without breaking a sweat, keeping 90% of home appliances running smoothly. With an additional built-in light, you'll never get left in the dark. So the built-in light is a new feature, and that is really great because that is a feature that I love. It's never fun fumbling in the dark with your portable power station during a power outage, so having a light right on the device is essential in my opinion. With the River 3 Plus portable power station, you can get less than 10 millisecond pro-grade auto switch UPS. If the power goes out, this portable power station will switch over in less than 10 milliseconds, safeguarding sensitive equipment for home office and gaming experiences against sudden power loss. This could include your fridge, desktop, NAS, gaming consoles, Wi-Fi routers, and other server systems. So this is a comprehensive UPS solution. This is amazing to have. You can safeguard your work and play. Equipped with a 286 watt hour capacity and 600 watt output, River 3 Plus can power a 3 watt Wi-Fi router for up to 35 hours. Plus it can run pretty much any office appliance, including 600 watt computers for at least 21 minutes, allowing a safe shutdown and completion of ongoing tasks. Also, I use my River series portable power stations to power my portable coolers because my portable coolers don't use that much power, and these little power stations can power them for days. Smart Outage Alert. So you get Smart Outage Alert. Stay alert during power outages with the River 3 Plus, equipped with an LED, app, and software alerts. Its PC and NAS compatible data interface along with the EcoFlow software notifies you and automatically saves data for when battery is low. UPS friendly design. Not only does this have UPS capabilities, but also it is UPS friendly design with 2 rear AC outlets. Conceal your device cables, makes everything look nice, more organized. You're going to be more productive when you have this on site. Plus, monitor UPS in real time on the upgraded screen. So let's take a look at the traditional type UPS systems compared to the new River 3 Plus. So one of the main differences between traditional UPS systems and the River 3 Plus is the battery style. You get a lithium iron phosphate battery. These are amazing, and in my opinion, they are superior on the market. You're going to be able to cycle this battery over 6,000 times with no real issues with the battery capacity. Traditional UPS systems had lead acid batteries. Lead acid batteries have a lot of different issues, including being very heavy. Since the River 3 Plus battery lasts so long, that means you're going to be buying less batteries over the years. Right here, EcoFlow is estimating 10 years of use. In my opinion, I would say it lasts even longer with proper use. With traditional UPS systems, your battery's only going to last 2 years, maybe 5 years if you're really lucky. So you're going to be ended up buying a lot more batteries. It's going to cost you a lot more over time. Not only that, you might not be able to fit that many batteries in your setup, so in some cases you might not be able to run your equipment for as long when you're using the traditional lead-acid battery setups. Another really great thing about the River 3 Plus is that you can charge this many different ways. Traditional UPS systems, you're pretty much limited to connecting this directly up to AC power. With the River 3 Plus, you can charge this 4 different ways. And you cannot ignore the versatility of the River 3 Plus compared to traditional UPS systems. The River 3 Plus has everything you need all in the box, including plenty of outlets for AC, DC, USB-C, and A ports. 2 times as light and twice the runtime. Easily handle power outages and extend outdoor stays. With this groundbreaking Xgon power technology, the River 3 Plus is revolutionizing the industry with compact, quiet batteries that offer extended runtimes for small electronics, leveraging the superior energy efficiency of GON. The River 3 Plus doubles the operating time of appliances under 100 watts, delivering twice the runtime. I'm not exactly sure how they're doing this. I think this has something to do with changing the amperage or voltage, letting these lower watt devices run at a little bit different voltage, allowing them to run a lot longer. If you know more about this, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to learn more. So this is extremely compact and lightweight, handy, convenient, on-the-go power. I know my River Series portable power stations are great because they are so light. It makes me want to use them more, and they do get used more because of that. River 3 Plus minimizes heat loss, requires less cooling space, and supports a compact design. It easily fits into small places like closets, a minivan, a bag for easy storage and portability. I would have to agree strongly with these statements. Less than 30 decibel whisper quiet operation for 24/7 backup. Now these are very quiet portable power stations. In most cases, my River Series portable power stations don't make any noise at all. But if I am maxing them out to the highest wattage they can put out, they do start to run some little fans and they do get a little bit noisy. But it's not that loud really. Another great thing about the River 3 Plus is it has a hassle-free connection when you add the extra batteries. Utilizing pogo pin tech, the batteries connect wirelessly, fastening easily with clips instead of cables and screws. All you gotta do is set the power station on top of the battery and it's already hooked in, ready to go. And when you add an extra battery to the River 3 Plus, you also get a 140 watt USB-C fast charging port. You can even use this by itself, not connected to the portable power station. Like we said, we got 4 different options for charging this safely from 0 to 100%. You get AC charging. The River 3 Plus fast charges in 1 hour with extreme no battery damage with vehicle grade cells and trickle charge technology. These are EV grade battery cells in these. They're water and dust resistant, making them last a very long time. Power the River 3 Plus in over 1.5 hours with 220 watt solar input. If you're one of the lucky people to get to this early, you will start out with a free 45 watt portable panel with a Type-C connection, and you can use that to charge your electronics directly without even using the portable power station. These River portable power stations are ideal for vehicles, van builds, RV, and different limited space builds. You can charge these directly using your vehicle's car charger. It will charge 0 to 100% in about 3.3 hours. And if you have a gas generator, you can quickly charge the portable power station in just 1 hour. And the good thing about this is that in some locations, you are limited to how long or at what times you can run your generator, especially campsites. So having these portable power stations is amazing since they are so quiet. So let's talk more about the battery in this. It is a one-time investment that lasts for 10 years, and I would even estimate upwards to 15 to 20 years if you're using this properly. Industry-leading intelligent battery protection built in on top of the battery being so amazing in itself. You have a waterproof, fireproof, and drop-resistant design. IP54 battery protection, water damage is minimized. Its robust fire-retardant shell survives rough conditions. Even after a 3-foot fall, River 3 Plus won't get damaged. The lithium iron phosphate battery cells have 10-year lifespan. Again, I would say upwards to 15 to 20 if you're taking care of this. River 3 Plus has a lifespan of 3,000 charging cycles before its capacity drops to 80%. Now that's a really fair estimate, and like I said, if you run this properly, you might get a lot longer use out of this. X-Guard battery protection technology. Now this is also going to make this last a long time for you. Featuring an advanced algorithm for cloud-based battery monitoring with 40+ safety measures. River 3 Plus protects against various current, voltage, temperature, and circuit risks. Smart controls, convenient, intelligent, customized power controls. Okay, so I do love using the apps, and I will say while I'm recording this right now, I'm actually using one of these River power stations to power my microphone setup because it isolates the power system and it reduces feedback greatly. And I am using the app to monitor everything going on with the power station. Now you can enhance your experience using these river power stations with this upgraded app. It's got a vibrant color display. It's easy to see what you're doing. River 3 Plus offers advanced charging status and battery health insights. I love checking in on the battery temperature, especially when I'm out on my adventures in the cold weather. A lot of custom settings, but not so many that you're overwhelmed. It's tailored for personal use. The upgraded app offers versatile charging settings. You can change the wattage it's charging at if you have limitations. Includes speed control, time charging, power saving mode, and low battery alerts. Low battery alerts is an awesome new feature. So with the app, your phone becomes a remote control. You connect seamlessly with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Remote control your unit via Wi-Fi control when you're not even home. This is the type of tech that I love. It is finally really starting to feel like the future here. And if you're on this page, do yourself a favor and just ignore the screen completely. This seems to be the River 3 and not the River 3 Plus, so kind of ignore this. As you can see, the River 3 Plus actually has a different interface on the front and different outlets on the back. So if you pick up the EcoFlow River 3 Plus, you're going to get the portable power station itself, an AC charging cable, a car charging cable, a USB-B data connection cable, quick start guide and warranty, which I always encourage people to actually read through. Also, right now, you're going to be getting a free 45-watt solar panel with this, and this panel is nice. You can connect your cell phone through the USB-C charging port directly without even needing to plug this into a portable power station. This is a really good deal. So looking at the specs, it is 286 watt-hour capacity on the battery. It's about 9 inches by 9 inches by 6 inches. It's only 10.4 pounds. That is very light. Now, it is a lithium iron phosphate battery, and they're estimating 3,000 cycles at 80%. This is a little bit different because usually they estimate higher cycles to 80% capacity. I think they're just being generous. I estimate this lasts quite a bit longer. You get less than 10 millisecond UPS. The noise is less than 30 decibels at normal operating. You get 3 AC outlets, 600 watts total, surge 1200 watts, and X boost of 1200 watts. You have a USB-A outlet, 2 of those ports, as well as 1 USB-C outlet. You get your car output. You can hook AC into this and charge it within 60 minutes. Using solar, you can charge this within 1.5 hours. Plug this into your car, it's about 3.5 hours. And if you plug this into a generator, depending on the generator output, chances are you're gonna be able to charge this in just about 60 minutes. The optimal operating temperature of this portable power station is 68 degrees to 85 degrees, charge temperature 32 degrees to 113 degrees. But the discharge temperature is a bit lower at 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Very wide range of temperatures that you can use this portable power station. And if you're going to be storing this power station for a long period of time, make sure it has a good charge on it and store it between 68 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. It is now available for order and it does ship out starting the 17th of December. Take advantage because these new portable power stations tend to sell out. If you want to stay updated on this type of new tech and other related gear, feel free to subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Most important, click that bell icon because that's going to give you an update every time I make a new video, helping to push you right to the front of the line to get these limited deals while they last.